Hey guys, it's Gordon from Hale Family Homestead, and today we're going to take you along on a super fun farm vlog.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
Hey y'all, we just got to the farm and we had some big plans on stuff we were going to do today, but unfortunately it's looking like we have a little bit of a problem here. We planted our grass seed last weekend and it was supposed to rain throughout this week, which would have been perfect, but unfortunately it has not rained a drop and this dirt is super dry out here, and if we don't get these seeds some water, we're just going to have wasted all our time and money planting these seeds. What we're gonna do is we've got a big container at the house that we can put water in, so we're gonna put that container in the bed of the truck. I gotta go find a pump and rig up a pump to put on this container. The container's like 200 gallons or something, it's pretty big. And we're gonna fill it up with water and bring it out here and try to get some water in this dirt to help these seeds germinate, because if they don't germinate soon, it's gonna be a waste. That's where we're off to now.
Ready?
Set, go. Here's my plan. I'm gonna get a piece of pipe that's gonna screw onto this right here, and it's gonna come off the tailgate probably to right at the edge, and then I'm gonna put a T so I can have a piece of pipe that goes this way and a piece of pipe that goes this way. I'm gonna drill a bunch of holes in it and probably somehow strap it to the tailgate. That way I can open this valve and the water will come out, go to the T, and then just sprinkle out, and I'll probably even make it come off the bed like a couple feet so we can get the widest spread to make less passes through the pasture. So that's my plan.
Sounds like a good plan.
I think so.
Have you felt the aching hunger and tears falling like rain? Can we find hope for tomorrow? Can we find a helping hand that can ease the pain and sorrow for every woman, every man?
Hey guys. So I'm facing my fears and getting on camera and showing my black eye. I've been hiding behind the camera because I did get a black eye. I got headbutted by a horse, but Gordon says I just need to be a little bit more confident and not care. We're about to start up our pasture waterer, so we'll show you what we kind of got going on right now.
I'm hooking up our water sprayer now, and what we got here is our water tank, which has a 2-inch male thread on the end, and we created this pipe here which screws in, and there's a reducer that brings the pipe down to 1 inch, and then we have this T that we're going to screw on, and this T has got all these holes in it so that once we turn the valve on, the water's going to come into this pipe, split off into the T, and it's going to trickle out of these holes right here. And this contraption was actually Bella's idea. So I was trying to come up with like a pump and a sprinkler and all this crazy stuff to spray the water, and Bella came up with this super simple idea that works probably better than anything I could have come up with. So she gets an A+ for that. Want me to show you how it works?
Sure.
So you just open the valve. Just like that. Perfect.
Soul is lonely, sad and blue. Ain't got no love and shoulders to lean on. There's always a sunny side across the river. Take a ride, take a swim, and all your worries go away. Go cross the river and you'll be fine. Go counting winners, it's right down the line. You'll be alright on the sunny side. Lost in the city lights, ain't got nowhere to turn your winding wheels. There's always the sunny side across the river.
Y'all, do you see it? That is our beautiful new Pensacola grass coming through. I can't wait for the whole pasture to look like this.
We come to you today as thankful servants. We thank you for how blessed we are. Lord, we thank you for this land that you have helped provide for us as well, Lord, and we thank you for the opportunities you've given us to come out here and work the land and do things that are our passion. With the seeds that we have sown out here, that you can bring the rain to help them grow and fulfill all our dreams.
Evening, so we just thought we'd pull our bows out and do some target practice for the upcoming archery season. My bow's going to need some tweaking. It's pulling a hard left and hard low, so we're going to go ahead and tweak that later, or maybe tonight at the house.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest.